Hey guys, my name is Ben Hochman. I'm with Hochman Fabrication and Speed, and this is the Black Zenith EVO. We've been building this car for about 9 or 10 years now. It's got a Red Demon spec motor, which is built by Boost in Performance. And the turbo kit is built in-house here at Hochman Fabrication and Speed. All the fabrication you see on the vehicle is done in-house at Hochman Fabrication and Speed, from the roll cage to the turbo kit to the intercooler setup, the removable tube front end. And we are sporting an Apex 86mm turbocharger, which is one of our favorite modifications to the vehicle. Our best time is 770, and our best mile an hour is 204.48, which formerly held the world record. You can imagine there's a lot of different stages of a build like this, and there's a lot of different features and functions that I could go over, but one of the most unique aspects of the build is definitely the turbo kit, which, as I mentioned before, we've built in-house. It's featuring dual tile 38mm wastegates and an 86mm turbocharger from Apex. One of the reasons we went to Apex is because we noticed that it's increased in efficiency as well as spool time, which allows us to not only run a higher boost level, but do so more efficiently, which, as you know, with engines being an air pump, it's all about getting the air in and out most efficiently. We run about 90 pounds of boost through this thing, and it's still in perfect condition. So I want to shout out to Apex for all they do and their support in the 2024 season. We look forward to working closer together in 2025.